Do you know there are the rarest and rarely seen animals? Here are 5 flying animals that are very rare and difficult to find in the wild. 1. Kakapo, a nocturnal parrot from New Zealand that cannot fly, but can glide with the help of the wind. 2. Alexandra's king butterfly, the largest butterfly in the world, found only in Papua New Guinea. 3. Bald-headed Ibis, a unique bird that is almost extinct and only found in a few small areas in Africa and the Middle East. 4. White ghost bat, a pure white bat that is rarely seen because it lives hidden in tropical forests. 5. Fairy owl, the smallest owl in the world that is very difficult to find because of its mini size and hiding habits. Which part do you want to discuss in more depth? Please write in the comments column.